right, so for this next game, we need 2 people to come and play with us, okay? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Let's see, maybe we had a guy last time. Any girls? Are there any girls? Any women who would like to play?
This gentleman over here is a girl.
Sir, are you a girl?
I fight like a girl.
He fights like a girl. What's your name?
Joey.
Joey, everyone. Welcome, Joey. Nobody wants to play? I think, yeah. Hi, what's your name? Ira. I think Ira wants to play, doesn't she? Everybody, a big round of applause for Ira. Joey, why don't you stand over here? Why don't you stand over here? This is a game called Sound Effects. Sound Effects. Now, Stephen and I are going to do a scene, but Ira is going to make all the sound effects for me, and Joey will make all of the sounds for Stephen. So let's practice. If Stephen opens a bottle of cola, or soda, yeah, and maybe he throws it. There we go. And let's see here. If I want to wash my hands, what does that sound like? All right, yeah. That was great. All right. Now, could someone please tell me what's a job that you have to use your hands to do?
Plumber.
A plumber. Okay, sure. Someone who fixes toilets. Someone who fixes pipes and toilets. All right. And can someone tell me a place that you normally don't find a toilet? The Hong Kong Metro Station. Very good. We're plumbers in the Hong Kong Metro Station. This is sound effects.
Alright, are we sure this is the right station?
Yeah, I think so. Did you bring your tools?
I did. They're all in this bag here. Very quietly packed and secured away.
Oh
Oh no!
just the one tool.
I got them. I thought there was a floor there apparently. Oh my gosh! My balloon inside the bag popped!
Oh no, your balloon. Here.
Oh, this is my favorite
You
balloon!
can use my tools. I'll just use my tools. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry about that.
Honestly, you can do that in the bathroom.
Hey, all right. Okay, I dropped it.
Alright,
What do we do first?
I think first we're gonna need that power drill.
Okay, this one?
Sure. And give me the hammer. Yeah, I'll take the hammer.
I think this drill is broken. Hang on.
Oh, maybe you need to change the battery.
Oh yeah, I'll get a new battery. Here.
Is it working now? Try to drill something now.
It's good enough. Yeah. It's good enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you put the silencer on it. I didn't see.
that's
Alright, I'm gonna start hammering the pipes with my hammer.
Okay.
That's how plumbers do it, right?
Sure, go ahead. There's a person inside!
I didn't see him inside the pipe there.
Sir, are you okay inside the pipe? He's dead! He's dead!
Oh God, what are we gonna do?
I don't know!
I hear the police coming. Oh yeah, it's the Hong Kong police. I recognize that siren anywhere.
I think I
Let's
heard-
listen to it again. And they brought their cats with them.
Too many cats!
It's the cat police of Hong Kong.
Quick, here! I'm gonna put this duck hat on you.
All right. And I'll make sounds like a duck to fool them into thinking that I'm a duck. Quack, quack, quack. How's that?
That was fantastic. Let me try.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. All right. So when the police come, we're gonna tell them that we're just a couple of ducks doing the plumbing in the Hong Kong Metro system. Oh no! Watch out! The train is coming!
No, not the train! I'm really sorry.
I can hear that they're making an announcement on the train. What are they saying?
Someone's talking. They're telling us to be quiet.
I think the movie is coming on. So.
Oh, a movie! Okay.